Hi guys, my name is Courtney and I am here today to talk to you about a skincare line that I found a couple of months ago and I fell in love with it. And you're probably like, oh, okay, why are you talking to me about it? And I am here talking to you about it because I have been a practicing esthetician for 15 years. My entire life, besides my husband and my kids, has been skin. So I like to think I know what I'm talking about. I've seen it all. I've done a lot when it comes to the peels and the lasers because I feel like you have to practice what you preach. I didn't want to talk to my patients about getting IPL when I had never done it. I feel like that's kind of insincere. So I have tried every product line, truly every elite, expensive, well-known product line. I've tried it. And I'm a hard sell. And so that's why when I heard of this product line, I'm like, you know what, I'm going to give it a try because I was really interested in the fact that they have incredibly clean ingredients. And for me, I'm like, okay, I love that, but is it actually going to do anything? And the answer is yes. I'll go into that after I say my spiel on self-care. So we are not at the show, obviously, because we are practicing social distancing, because this is incredible and terrible and stressful for everybody. And the last thing, like as a mom and a wife, and I just don't ever put myself first. And I'll be in bed after an entire day of teaching my kids. And I'll be like, oh my gosh, I'm going to bed. And then I'm like, Courtney, get up and wash your face. Again, practice what you preach. So I will get up. And once I have the face wash on, I'm like, all right, now we're going to do an exfoliator and the moisturizer and the eye cream because you're already up. It's worth it. It helps my anxiety. You need to take care of yourself. So with everything that's going on, take some time and please take care of yourself. You are worth the 5 minutes of a skincare routine at night. And it is only 5 minutes, I promise you. And not only that, you're worth clean ingredients. So that is why I have given everything else that I have to my mother-in-law. She's like, oh my gosh, it's Christmas. And I'm like, yeah, I mean, you're getting some pricey stuff, but this is where it's at. I am obsessed with the entire line. So I will dive in. So at night, like I said, 5 minutes. I don't have time, but I also kind of want to stay 34 forever. So I wash my face. I 3 times a week use an exfoliator. So far we have this. I will put my moisturizer on. I will put my eye cream on. And then if I'm really feeling like if it's a Friday and I would like to have some wine, I fall asleep with this anti-pollution sleeping mask. It is incredible. You wake up and you rinse it off with some cool water. It's like a pillow. It's like clouds. Your skin is like a 5-year-old. So I wash my face for 45 seconds. I use this to take off I love mascara. That is my desert island cosmetic. And so I have to really, massage it off. I use this to get all of my makeup off. I said 3 times a week I exfoliate. You do not want to over exfoliate your skin. This is wonderful because they have alternatives. Not everyone can use retinol. I have been in the office with the doctor and retinol for you. You get retinol, you get retinol, you get retinol. Not everybody can use retinol. There are alternatives, and the number one alternative is called Bakuchiol, and that is in the peach line of Save, which is incredible. The studies show you get the results of retinol. My mind was blown. And I did my research, trust me. So I do that 3 times a week, and then I use my moisturizer and the eye cream. It's like done and done. I'm done. I am winning the war against aging by using this product line. But I'm also not worried about what I'm putting on and if it gets in my eye, like the ingredients that some of these people have, it's kind of scary. So, and I also want to say the peach line, of Save. I call it Peachy. Everybody can use, except for those who are like my mom, who have rosacea and eczema, and it literally burns when she rinses her face off sometimes. If she's staying at a lake house and they have like a water, some kind of treatment, and she's like, oh my gosh, like this hurts. That there are tons of people out there, and it breaks my heart, who have just the most sensitive skin, and they're like, but I also want to treat my skin. I mean, I want to do an anti-aging routine, but I can't use anything. The mint green line is incredible because it has something called ectoine in it, which is like another buzzword, and it acts as a buffer between all of the terrible stuff, like walking outside and all the exhaust and all the crud in the air. It's like, get away from me, get away from me, get away from me. And it's just acting as a barrier, so all the hyaluronic and the hydrating and calming and soothing ingredients are locked in. So take my word, this line is incredible. It's beautiful, it's clean, it works. I'm so happy that I could make a little at-home video. I need people to know what a great line this is, and I hope you all stay safe. And you can order online so you can still practice social distancing and take care of yourselves. You are worth the clean ingredients and the 5 minutes that it takes in the evening and in the morning. And if you want to do your research, those two ingredients, so the peach line, it was bakuchiol, and you can just type in retinol or retinoid alternative. And then with the mint green line, it is ectoine, Ectoin. I could go on all day. And the fact that I'm alone right now getting to talk about skin during such a hectic time, I've enjoyed every minute of telling you guys how wonderful this line is. Stay safe and enjoy using your Save at home.